through the picker, and I'm just putting some conditioner on it. Just look how beautiful it is. Guys, it is the end of day 4 and super happy to report we have produced our first singles. Very exciting. It's been a fun day. I've recorded, I recorded nothing yesterday, but I just did a quick mill tour of each of the equipment, so I'll have that on the longer vlog, but just had to share this gorgeous yarn. So this one is natural colored Perindale from Watercolor Creek Farm in North Carolina. It's going to be beautiful. I think we're going to have about it's aiming for a DK, might be a light worsted, so we'll kind of see when we get that on the plier tomorrow. But got a lot processing. I've got a lot of things drying. I've got other things ready to go. So we should have a good variety of things to show off. So just wanted to give you a little bit of a glimpse.